This is a video on how to invite users to your workspace. Once you've created your workspace, you're going to want to add users to it. And so you can do that by either going here to the admin icon or going up to your menu here and selecting admin from your dropdown. Once you're in here, you're going to see the users icon. So go ahead and select that. And from here, you can select invite. And this is going to give you the option to invite your team members through email. Now you can do that by adding their email, their first name, their last name, and sending invites. If you need more than 3 people added at a time, you can just select add another invitation, and it'll give you the option to add a new box. And once you're done, you're just going to select send invites. And what that's going to do is that's going to send them an email that welcomes them to your workspace where they can continue to register themselves. And from here, you can also manage your users from within the user admin screen. And what you can do from here is if you want to update their user roles, you can do that. And the different user roles that you're going to see here are going to be based upon what add-ons you have. So you can toggle on or off any different types of user roles that you need that person to have. You can also edit your users from this screen as well. So if you select the user, by selecting these 3 dots here, you'll see the option to edit them. You can add a photo for them. You can impersonate them, clone them, reassign tasks to them. Or if they didn't get that welcome email, you can send it again through send welcome email, or you can convert them to a client user or help them reset their password. If you want to edit the user in full beyond here, you can just go into the edit icon. You can just go into edit. And this is where you're going to see all the options to change their user information, including their system roles as well, and any preferences or resource info, such as bill rates or any groups that they're a part of. This is a quick tutorial on how to add and invite users to your workspace.